Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be painting another waterfall similar to the last vlog but this time it's at a different location, same river, same stream. So the last one you would have seen is further upstream, this is further downstream. This is part of the I think it's Girikul loop track. I put the map there for you guys to have a look at. It's not that far out of Sydney, same as the last one, Summers Before. So if you come from Sydney area, you know, it's pretty easy to get to. But I live on the coast, so very easy for me to get to. I feel like I've been spending a lot of time inside lately, and that's partly because I've been working on some digital painting side of things, trying to up my skill in that area so that I can get so I can bang out some thumbnails and some compositions and work out some compositions for some bigger, larger paintings more quickly and more efficiently. So I've just been putting all my time into that recently over the last week since last time you saw me. So that's, you know, it's okay. I just don't like being inside like that and in front of a screen like that. Even though it's really fun to do and really interesting and exciting to learn a new thing, I'm still inside. I'm still at a desk or looking into a screen, and it's just I don't really like that too much. That's why I paint traditionally. So I've been walking around this little section. There's a bigger waterfall further down than this one, but I've been to this one before, and I like the nice, the subtle, small quaintness of it. I really like that small stream-like flow of a little waterfall. that I don't know, it kind of makes me feel like I don't know, nice, more relaxed than a big waterfall, that's for sure. A big waterfall, I feel there's a lot of energy in it, there's a lot of power to it, and you get yeah, when compared to a little waterfall like this, it's a bit more relaxed, a bit more open, you know, you can be a little bit more at ease with it, looking at it, being with it. So walking around here, I've had a look at some different points of view to paint this waterfall at. I like this scene up above it, that's nice, I like that. But I also like where I put my backpack down looking back at it. So just over there across the water there, looking back at the waterfall. I like that a lot. That's looking really nice. And then there's some other spots which are nice further up of these little tiny pieces. But I only brought one panel today. I'm not making a habit of painting 2 paintings one go. Although it was fun and I did get a lot out of that. But I'll come back another day and we'll paint a different section of this spot with another panel. So that being said, I'm just gonna enjoy myself for a little bit and then we'll get started to paint. Okay, so just did just did 2 drawings then that I feel pretty strongly about. There's the one I didn't really like much, but this one I'm really liking a lot. I think it's got really good weight balance, good potential, and provided that the sun keeps on staying out from behind the clouds. There's only one big cloud, so it should be fine, but if it does that, then we'll be sweet. I think it'll make a really nice composition. Alright, so that's that piece done, you know. It's been pretty hard sitting here on this rock. My ass is killing me. So I really want to get up, and my feet are killing me too. So I really want to get up and out of this position. So I'm okay. I'm alright with this painting. It's not the greatest thing ever that I've ever done by a long shot. You know, I'm not that stoked with it, but I don't know. I might just leave it and come back to it tomorrow and maybe work on it some more. If I do, I'll show you that. If not, there won't be any more to this video, so you'll know if this video is longer or shorter. But yeah, so I might work on it, might not. I'm not that happy with it. It's alright, but that's what plein air painting is for. You know, just to be out here, enjoy ourselves, you know, work something. Might not turn out great, might turn out great. You know, that's all plein air painting should be. And that's all it should be about, you know. And the key is not to overjudge ourselves. And you know, we can be critical, you know, and criticism is really good for us to be able to discern what is good and what isn't good work. And so we should be that, but you know, we shouldn't be abusive to ourselves, and we shouldn't beat ourselves up about it if something doesn't turn out the way that we wanted to. So that being said, I'm not happy with it, but you know, I know that whatever, it's no big deal to me. So keep that in mind for you guys when you're painting out on plein air and stuff doesn't go your way, or you're not that stoked with the painting. For whatever reason, you know, so many things come into play when you're on plein air. So don't worry about it, and take it home, take it to the studio, sit it down, and maybe come back to it another day and see what you can do to it. If not, just relax on it. I'm gonna pack up, I'm gonna head out of here. If there's more to this video, I don't know. If there is, I'll see you when I'm in the studio.